Hi, this is Dave Forster, and I want to review a trade that I placed before Amazon reported earnings. And I think it's a great example of swing trading. And the trade that I got into was back on January 22nd here. And what I could see is that this candle, which it is a bullish candle overall, a little bit of a doji there, but it most importantly it made a higher low than this candle back here. And so taking a look at this kind of structure, when you have a higher low on each side of a candle like you did back here, and then also with this candle, that's the very beginning of a potential trend change. So I sent out an alert to subscribers back here on the 22nd. I also mentioned this in the trading room. For one of my advisories, though, I put this alert out back on the 22nd, and if we take a look at the end of this, so here's the actual trade that I put out, and I was selling a bull put, and I bought a call spread that was $2.50 wide, only paid 33 cents for that. And that was again back on the 22nd. And so after the 22nd, we continue to move up pretty strongly until we got very close to this prior swing high here. So you can identify, some people call them pivot highs or swing high. You can identify them by the fact that you should have one or two lower highs on each side of the candle. So for example, with this swing high, we definitely have two lower highs on each side of this pivot or swing high. Also, I could see once this candle formed that this candle was starting to look like it could be a swing high. So we exited that trade for a profit on the 29th. And so we were able to really take advantage of this move up here. And this is also a topic that I went through extensively for over an hour on swing trading in the Tuesday night training that we have for members in the room. And if you want to join Basecamp Trading, I would encourage you to go to bctnow.com/join. So it's bctnow.com/join. When you go there, you get the opportunity to get access to our trading rooms for $7 for 30 days. So definitely check that out. And also, if you like this, please like and subscribe to the videos. And I hope that helps, and have a great weekend.